The MagSafe charger stand is a charging accessory designed primarily for Apple devices, utilizing magnetic technology for effortless alignment and charging. And here we have iDsonix MagSafe charger stand. This sophisticated device promises to revolutionize your charging experience by offering a seamless solution for your Apple devices. My name is Mehdi, and today we embark on a journey to explore the iDsonix MagSafe charger stand, the pinnacle of modern charging technology. Let's start. First, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to iDsonix, and in particular my dear friend Hendrik, for generously providing me with this product. You can find their respective links in the description below. The iDsonix MagSafe charger stand provides a trifecta of charging capabilities, accommodating your iPhone, iWatch, and AirPods simultaneously. With cutting-edge magnetic technology, achieving precise alignment and instant charging for your devices becomes effortless, reducing clutter and enhancing efficiency. Crafted exclusively for iPhone devices, this charger supports a wide array of models, including the latest iPhone series, various iWatch generations, and multiple AirPods versions. But sometimes I charge my Samsung phone with it. Experience unparalleled convenience with the adjustable stand feature, offering both vertical and horizontal viewing angles, or any angle you can think of, and is perfect for multimedia consumption and communication tasks. So for example, I use this feature to watching a movie. Indulge in customizable features such as the controllable night light. So I really love this option. Perfect job. Providing 3 levels of brightness adjustment for a tranquil sleeping environment, complemented by the intuitive smart LED indicator, offering insightful charging status updates. Equipped with a robust QC 18-watt power adapter and an intelligent chipset, the iDsonix MagSafe charger stand ensures not only swift and stable charging but also comprehensive protection against overcharging, circuit issues, and temperature fluctuation. So until now, I don't have any problem with it. In conclusion, I must say that my experience with the iDsonix MagSafe charger stand has been nothing short of delightful. From its impeccable quality to its sleek design, this charging solution has truly exceeded my expectations. Additionally, it's worth noting that the price point of the iDsonix MagSafe charger stand is incredibly competitive. However, what sets it apart for me is the innovative addition of the controllable night light. Not only does it add a touch of sophistication to the stand, but it also enhances the overall user experience by providing customizable brightness levels for a peaceful night's sleep. With its combination of premium features and thoughtful design elements, the iDsonix MagSafe charger stand has undoubtedly earned its place as a staple on my desk. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.